The first step is to select the size of your transfer. Make sure to choose a size large enough for your design's largest dimension. Once in the designer, you are able to change the size if needed. On the right side, you have options to upload an image, add text, and add art we provide. To the left side are some tools that can help you design your transfer, including select all layers, clear all layers, undo last action and redo last action. You can also zoom in and out. Now let's upload an image. Easily drag and drop your file or click Select File to browse for the file. Next, you will be prompted to select Remove White options. You can continue with your original image by selecting Keep Original. Select Remove White Background for a transparent background or remove all white from the design. You will see a preview of the changes made for the options selected. Now you will select a color profile from the two options we have, either full color or black and white, and click Finish. Once uploaded, you can resize and move your image. Use the action buttons to flip the design horizontal, flip vertical, center horizontal, and center vertical. Also, have copy and paste buttons to duplicate. Now let's add some text and resize it to fit with the image better. You can change your font using the many different styles we offer. You can change the text color by picking colors from our stock color palette. Lastly, you can control letter spacing and add a text outline. Don't have a graphic and need some inspiration? We have you covered. Click on Add Art and browse our design ideas. Once you pick a design, you can change the text and size and move elements. Now, let's add some clip art. Like design ideas, we have many different categories to pick from. Pick a design you want to use. Let's resize the art and add some text. Let's change the font and color. I will also add an outline color to the text. Design looks good now. Let's save this design so we can go back to it later. Once you save the design, you can delete it. Go to My Saved Art, and you will see your art saved. Thank you for taking the time to watch this instructional video. I hope you learned enough to get started.